We have our data collected from our waste survey responses, and we're now going to organize this data so that we can put it into a table or into a chart of some sort. What I'm going to do is I want to know how many of each waste type there are, and at the moment they're all mixed up, so I'm going to pull this data out and do a frequency count so that I can then put this into a chart. So I'm going to use the COUNTIF function to do this. So I'm going to go equals COUNTIF, and I want to check it within this range. So COUNTIF within this range, and I want to write recycling, so I'm going to copy that exactly how it is in the spreadsheet. And I'm going to close it off with the parentheses, and now I've got my frequency count. So to check this, I'm going to check that it works by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I do have 6 there, so I can continue this and count the rest. Now you want to make sure that you type it exactly how it is in the table, because if I use a lowercase, if I spell it wrong, for example, or use a lowercase, then it won't actually recognize that data. So now I have my total. So I've got 3 organic, 3 general waste, and 6 recycling. I could have easily added these up and written it into this little table here, but this becomes quite powerful when you have masses of data. So if I had 200 entries, I don't want to go and count each one. Also, it's a good way to reduce human error. So if I'd counted that, I might have missed one, so I can make sure that that's correct. And now what I can do is I can easily put this into a form of a chart. So I'm going to create a little pie chart here, and voila.